In one of our previous programs, we explained the physical properties of minerals and demonstrated how minerals of reasonable size can be identified with these properties. In many instances, while observing rocks in an outcrop or enhanced specimen, we find that either the mineral grains are too small in size or several mineral species apparently resemble each other, making it impossible to identify them. In such cases, we can take help of a petrographic microscope for identifying minerals. This is a special type of microscope in which objects are viewed under polarized light in various magnification. First of all, let us see how minerals are prepared for microscopic study.
With the exception of precious stones and few others, all minerals appear translucent to opaque in their natural form. Majority of these minerals, when cut into thin slices, transmit light. This feature can readily be observed in micas. This is a sample of biotite mica. In the present form, biotite appears to be opaque. However, when we split a thin flake of biotite along the cleavage plane, we find that it becomes transparent. For microscopic study of such minerals, one portion of the sample is initially cut into plane surface in a rock cutting machine. The plane surface is then fixed on a glass slide using a transparent adhesive like epoxy resin or Canada balsam. The sample which is mounted on glass slide is again sliced in rock cutting machine. And then polished in a grinding machine using abrasive powders to obtain a thin section of the mineral sample having thickness of about 0.03 millimeter. Subsequently, a cover slip made of glass is fixed on the open surface of the sample using the same adhesive. We may suitably label the glass slide for its identity. Now, the thin section is ready for microscopic study.
In petrographic microscope, the thin section is placed on the circular stage and polarized light is allowed to travel through the mineral to reach the objective lens and upwards to the eyepiece. In this process, the polarized light interacts with the mineral in thin section and produces a characteristic optical response. Each mineral shows a unique combination of optical properties by which it is identified in petrographic microscope.
Basically, many optical properties of minerals are related to their refractive index. There is one category of minerals in which the velocity of light is uniform in all directions. Such minerals have a constant value of refractive index. These are called isotropic minerals. Minerals crystallizing